Just plugged it in. First thing it wants to know is our language. If it says your language, you got nothing else to do. If you need to change it, press this button and go through your different languages. About 6 or 7 of them. Okay, hit that check mark, down arrow, valve type. If it's not a 255, hit that check mark and change it to 268 or whatever you have. 263 if it's backwash only. Check mark. Unit of measurement can be US, UK, or imperial. We're US, we're good. Let's check the next thing. Hardness, 20 grains. This is going to be the most important thing you got to set. And that's based on your actual water. If you have 10 grains of hardness, you put 10. If you have 10 grains of hardness plus 2 parts iron, you probably should put like 16. We like adding 3 grains of hardness for every 1 part per million of iron. So like if this had 20 grains of hardness, but also 2 parts per iron, I would press the check mark and I would raise this to 26 and hit the check mark again. There. Now I have 20 grains of hardness plus 2 parts per million iron being calculated into this equation. The volume, it comes up at 1.25. Not too many people have that. So hit the check mark, and you got a 1 cubic foot system or maybe 3/4 cubes. Those are the most common, and 1.5 is very common, a 10 by 54. Some people got 2 cubes, 1252 or maybe 1354 tank. I'm going to leave this at 1 cubic foot. Check mark, down arrow, salt dosage, check mark, up to medium is what I recommend. Time of day, check mark, first digit, change it. Check mark, minutes, you can change it. Check mark, AM or PM. Oh, I forgot about that one. You can also make it 24-hour or 12-hour. Okay, I'm back to PM. AM, PM, 24-hour. Okay. So you have 3 choices, AM, PM, or you can make it 24-hour clock. Check mark, down arrow. Date, check mark. Set your month. Check mark, set your day. Check mark, set your year. Check mark, down. That is your quick start setup complete. Press the check mark. And this is what you're going to see most of the time. You're going to see the time, the date, and what system you have. And when you first set this up, you're always going to see the wrong gallons because, and oh, it's going to show you the flow rate if water's running. But the gallons shouldn't be that low on the average system. And that is why the second thing you do after you do a quick start setup is, because I did reset this back to default for this video, we're going to have to go into the installer next.